Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to start new gameplays for Marvel Spider-Man Remastered PC game. You can play the game most of the unlocked things like suits, skills, etc. So that's what I'm going to explain. If you're playing this game on Steam, right, first you need to take backup. So now I'm going to take the backup. So the backup will be right under your documents. Here Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. This is your Steam ID. We need to go inside the Steam folder. So here it's a saved data. So just copy this, okay? You can keep this user preference. The remaining thing you can copy or cut. Just create a folder. I'm going to rename it Marvel Spider-Man. Fine. So backup is taken. So here I'm going to paste it. Okay, super cool. Backup is done. This is the actual saved location folder. Now what you need to do is you need to go to offline. So go to Steam. Select this go offline, enter offline mode. Now it's offline mode. Fine. Now I'm going to download the saved data. So I'll be providing this link in the descriptions. So Nexus modes. Here lot of Marvel Spider-Man modes are there. You can use it. But I'm going to download this Peter Parker with Drip. So this is the file. You need to download it. Manual download. Do download. You need to log in with Nexus modes. If you don't have login, just create it. And then download. Cool, it's downloaded. Now open the zip file. File is opened. I'm going to copy this. slot1-s.save. Copy this. I need to go to the actual saved location of Marvel Spider-Man for PC. So I need to go to this documents. And here we need to go to this Marvel Spider-Man folder. And this is my Steam ID, right? So here I'm going to paste it. Show more options, paste. It's successfully saved. And even you can take copy, right click, copy, paste it. This one I'm going to set it to 0. And there should not be any space. I'm going to remove it. So saved data, 100% saved data is completed. Now I need to go to Steam. So here I'm going to start the game, play. It is in offline. If you play now, you may not have previous game progress and you may permanently lose it. That's fine. Then play anyway. Now I need to click on this play. I'm going to escape. So here you can see that 100% saved game is here. So I have copied, right? Actually, it was in profile number 2. Just I copied this profile number 1 as well. Also, you can see the bottom of this page. Congratulations, you finished the main story. You now qualify for new game play. Super cool. So if you press F, right, you can start a new game. You should not start from the new game here. You should select the new game plus. You should select the profile, which is completed 100%. And then you can start new game plus. If you're using controller, right, you can select this. So I'm going to play the existing one. Continue. Now I'm going to play this game. Okay. So cool. So here I'm going to press the tab. So under suits, right, you can see you can unlock it whatever you want. So I'm going to give escape. So I'm going to start the new game plus, exiting from this game. And here, right, select the profile here and then press F. So the new game will be started here. So I'm going to start the game. You need to skip this actually. So once you started, right, the game, so press tab and you can go to suits and here you can change it. So this is by default unlocked suits here. So you can use it. That's it, friends. This is the way you can start new gameplays on Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.